What's up guys, this is Ashish Tiwari here and you are watching TechnoTips ASP.NET MVC tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna discuss about the jQuery DataTable Server side pagination using skip and tech method. Okay, so this is gonna be very interesting. So before proceeding with this video, you can watch my previous tutorial, that is part 48 of this video series. In that video I have explained how to add server side functionality into jQuery DataTable Server side processing. Okay, so let's get started. So here in the previous tutorial I have created this example to add search functionality into my jQuery DataTable Server side processing. Okay, so here when I type anything, let's say AS, so it will show me the filter record. Okay, when I type let's say IT, so it will show me the record from the IT department. So here the search functionality is working fine now because we handle it in the previous tutorial. In previous tutorial I also have discussed that whenever we are just using the server side processing, then it's our responsibility to handle this search functionality, this sorting, and then this paging functionality. Okay, so right now this paging is not working. Okay, so in this tutorial our main target is to handle this. Okay, so first of all we just need to identify what are the parameters that will help you to get the pagination done. Okay, so here when I click on the page number 1, so here I'll just use these two parameters, that is iDisplayStart and iDisplayLength. Okay, so here right now the iDisplayStart is 0 and it will be updated whenever the consecutive page button is clicked. Okay, so let's say when I click on the second button, then see the iDisplayStart is updated to 10. Okay, so here I'll just use this iDisplayStart and iDisplayLength for calculating the page number. Okay, so the first step is to calculate the page number. Okay, so take an integer page number. So let's say my page number is 1, and now let's check the condition. If param dot iDisplayStart see is greater than param dot iDisplayLength. Okay, so here when the page 2 will be clicked. Okay, so in that case my iDisplayStart would be 10. Then I'll just check if 10 is greater than 10. Okay, then the page number should be 2. So the page number, say page number would be, we will just calculate it by dividing the iDisplayStart with iDisplayLength. Okay, and then plus 1. So you can use this formula to calculate the page number. Okay, so when page 2 is clicked, then in that case iDisplayStart would be 10, so 10 divided by 10 and then plus 1, so it would be equal to 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2, so my page number would be equal to 2. Okay, so now we have just calculated the page number using this formula, and our main target is to use the pagination. Okay, so here is the search check. When there is a search text present, then we are just filtering out the data. Okay, so I'm just first of all I'll just execute the pagination without this search text. Okay, so on the complete data I'll just display. So here the we are just selecting name, employee ID, department ID from this employee table. So before that I'll just use the order by. Okay, so first of all uh, I'll just arrange this record through employee ID, whatever your primary key. Okay, then I'll just use this skip method and skip how many records you are going to skip. So you just need to use the page number, this formula, page number minus 1, and then multiply with the uh, display size. So display size param dot I display length. Okay, and then dot take another 10 record. So param dot display here, param dot I display length. Okay, and then you can select your uh, your property from this record. Okay, okay, so here basically we first of all we are just arranging my list through this employee ID in a ascending order, and then I'm just skipping some records, and then I'm just taking some record. Okay, so first of all, when the page number is 1, so skip 1 minus 1. Okay, so it would be 0, so 0, and then we are multiplying with I display length, so display length would be 10. Okay, so again it will become 0, and then we are just taking another I display length record. So my display length record is 10. So when the page number is 1, page equal to 1, then we are just skipping 0 and then taking 10. Okay, when the page number would be equal to 2, so in that case we will use this 2 minus 1, and then we are multiplying with 10. Okay, so 2 minus 1 would be equal to 1, and then we are multiplying with 10, so it would be 10. So here in this case, when the page number would be 2, so we will skip first 10 record and then we will take the next 10 record. Okay, so this is the concept. And let's say when the page number is 3, so my formula would be 3 minus 1, so 3 minus 1 equal to 2, and 2 into 10, so it would be 20. So when the page number would be 3, so it will just skip first 20 record and then will take the next 10 record. Okay, so this is how formula is working. And let's run this and we'll see. Okay, so control comes here. Now click on the continue button, and here we will see we have just displayed the 10 record on the page. Okay, but here this is not the correct entry, because we have 15 records. It's displaying me 10 records. Why? Because here we are just the I total display record is my list count. Okay, so now I just need to update that. So first of all, I just need to take another integer for calculating the total count. So int total count, let's say equal to 0. So now we need to calculate the total count and pass to the jQuery data table. So total count would be equal to my data table, how much records are present in my employee table. So dot count, let's calculate the count. See, I have just received the total count present in the database. Okay, how many records are present in the employee tables, and here we are displaying only 10 records every time. So in this list, every time I will just receive only 10 records. Okay, and now I'll just pass this count to my jQuery data table, and now run this and let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, so control comes here, control continue. So here you go, and here you see the count is correct. Total records are 15, and I'm just displaying 1 to 10. Okay, and here you will see the pagination. When I click on this second page, okay, so here you will see I display length is 10 and I display start is also 10. Now you will see that how I am calculating the page number. So function f10. So here I display start is 10 and 10 is greater than or equal to 10, so it goes to here, and function f10. So right now my page becomes 2 because I have clicked the second page, so I have just calculated the page number as 2. Okay, now function f10. So my search text is empty, so it will go to the next statement, let's say f10, and I have just got the count. Total count is 15, and I'll receive the first 10, so it will skip the 2 minus 1 and then multiplying with 10. So 2 minus 1 1, multiplying with 10 10, so it will skip the first 10 record, and then we'll take the 10 record. Okay, so function f10. Okay, so here you will receive 5 records. Okay, according to you have 15 records and it has just skipped first 10 records. Okay, and here you will see I am returning the total count. Now here you will see on the page 2 you are getting 5 record, another 5 records, so 11 to 15 I am just displaying out of 15 records. Okay, now let's remove the breakpoint and we'll check it. So when I click on the first page, it will display me the first 10 record, and there are 5 records remaining, so it will show me on the second page. Okay, now it's time to handle when there is text present on this search tag, because when I search something, so obviously the total record would be updated. Okay, right now I don't have any search tag, so I will just show the 15 records. Okay, but when I search something, let's say A, so I'll just get error here, 00 entry, because I need to pass the total count in that. So here it's displaying me all the search record. Okay, so here we need to handle because here there is a search text present here, so it goes to this section, and also the total count displaying is 0. Okay, I am returning total count as 0, so that's why it's displaying the 0 entry, and with this 0 entry my pagination is also disabled. Okay, now I'll handle it. So first of all, we need to calculate the total count when there is a search text present. So just copy that and paste it here. Okay, so I'm just calculating the total count without applying any filter. So first of all, I just copy this filter. So dot from the where text to hs to here, just copy that. So after applying this filter, I am just calculating the total count. Okay, so I'll just receive the correct count. Okay, and then here I'll just use the pagination using the escape. So first of all, let's say where we have used the dot select, Okay, first we filter through this text where we have just applied the where condition, where this name contains search text or department contains search text. We are just filtering out. Okay, so first we are filtering out through this search text, and then we will apply this skip and then this tech method. So remember, without using this you will get an exception. So first of all, you just need to use this order by. So just use order by and then use this tech skip and then tech method. So just copy this here from the order by to this. So just apply before here. After the where condition, you can just copy and paste here. Okay, dot order by. Let's say you can see here. Here now it will be easier to see you. Okay, so db.employee, I am just applying the dot where condition, and then I am using the order by, then skip, then let's say I'm just splitting out, then skipping first record according to the page number, and then I am just taking the record. So this iDisplay length would be constant every time, because we are just displaying only 10 records here, and if we update it to 25, so every the page it will be updated iDisplay length, and then your whole pagination will be impacted. Okay, so here I have just done. Now just save it, and that I have just calculated the total count, and the total count will be rendered to here. Okay, so I have just calculated this total count after applying the filter. Okay, so it will just return me those count, like say when I searched let's say there is a search text present like A, so it will just return me all the record consisting A text. Okay, now let me filter A. Okay, so you can see there are 13 record present. Here you can see I have A present in, see, either in India, Ashish, and then QA there is a present, A is present in somewhere. Okay, now if I see right AS, so there are, see, total records are 2, so it means there are 2 record present in the database with AS text. See, AS. Okay, and I am just displaying all of them because my record length is 10, so paging you will not get the paging here. Okay, when I delete one text here, so with A text there are 13 records, so I'm just displaying 1 to 10 record on the first page, and on the second page I'll just display another 3 records. Okay, so this is how I am handling with the search text. Okay, so this is very simple. The concept is same, but we just need to take care of this where condition. That's it. Okay, and also we just need to take the total count with this where condition, and we are just taking the list with this where condition, and then we are just applying order by, and then we are using this skip and tech method to get the pagination done. Okay, so this is very easy, and I'm done here. And if you like this video, then give a thumbs up, and do subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed, and don't forget to press the bell icon when if you want to get the notification when new video is uploaded. And also I would like to suggest you to share this video among your friend so that they can also get the benefit. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.